Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about probability. So now I want to show you how to answer. If two cards are randomly drawn without replacement, so we want to find probability that the first card is about diamond and the second card that should be about a club. So now I want to show you. We know that we have 52 cards and we have 4 types of cards in here. So we have 52 divided by 4. We have 13 cards. For hearts, diamonds, clubs, and spades. So the first card should be about diamond. So that means the probability to select the first card that should be about 13 out of 52. 52 that's about the total cards in here. And the second card that should be about the club. We know that we just finished about diamonds. We have another 13 card of the club, but we just select one out of 52 card in here. That means the second one we have 51. Because we just withdraw one card from the first one in here. So this is about the probability we need to find. And this one we have 13 over 204. And that is the probability we need to find in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.